Understanding Sniffles and Sneezes, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very common topic that everyone can relate to: sniffles and sneezes. These phrases might sound cute, but they're actually related to our health. Stay tuned as we break down the meanings and usage of these phrases, making it easy and fun for you to learn. Sniffles refer to the sound or action of sniffing, especially when someone has a cold or is about to cry. It's that small, often repetitive, inhalation through the nose, usually due to a blockage or irritation in the nasal passages. When someone says they have the sniffles, it means they're experiencing a slight cold or nasal congestion, leading to frequent sniffing. It's a mild symptom and is often seen as less severe than a full-blown cold. On the other hand, sneezes are sudden, involuntary expulsions of air from the nose and mouth. Sneezing is a protective reflex to remove irritants from the nasal cavity. It can be caused by a variety of factors, including colds, allergies, or even bright light. When discussing health, mentioning that someone sneezes frequently could indicate they are experiencing allergies or a cold. Sneezing is a more noticeable and often louder symptom compared to sniffles. Understanding and using phrases like sniffles and sneezes can add a touch of realism to your English conversations, especially when talking about health and well-being. You might hear someone say, "I'm just dealing with some sniffles and sneezes, nothing serious." This indicates they are experiencing mild cold symptoms. It's a casual and colloquial way to describe minor illness symptoms without going into medical specifics. In English-speaking cultures, expressing concern for someone's health is common. If you hear that someone has the sniffles or is sneezing a lot, it's polite to show concern or even offer help. Phrases like, "get well soon," or "take care of yourself," are often used in response. Additionally, discussing symptoms like sniffles and sneezes in a light-hearted way can make conversations about health less daunting. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of sniffles and sneezes in everyday English. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the context and cultural nuances. So, next time you hear someone mention these phrases, you'll know exactly what they mean and how to respond. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. Stay healthy and keep learning.